Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter 4. Name is sorting materials into groups. So, before starting the chapter, we are going to discuss the keywords one by one. First keyword is material. A specific sample of matter. What is material? A specific sample of matter. बच्चे listen. If we want to make a any object, we need the matter to make object. Okay, so that is the material we need in any case. Okay, second is substance. A more specific sample of matter, either a pure element or a pure compound. Two or three things make a compound. Okay, element is one, a compound is couple, like two or three things make a compound. Clear? Next is बच्चे luster. Luster means shiny thing, like tiffin box, steel box is a luster. They having the property of luster because they are shine. Steel box shine on the surface of material or substance. Transparency, property to allow light to pass through it. बच्चे transparency means transparent, which allow light to pass through it. Next is बच्चे insulator, known conductor of heat and electricity. Insulator is example of insulator is wood, which will not allow to light to pass through it. Okay, so next is बच्चे last keyword is grouping, putting similar things together. Group, in class you are sitting in the group, maybe 2 or 3 friends, more than 3 friends you are sitting, that is your group. Clear? After this we will start the topic object around us. So बच्चे, we are living in the environment surrounding, many more objects are there. Okay, so look around for natural as well as man-made non-living things. Natural, which are occur by nature, and man-made, who are made by man. Maybe your list consists of some or all the following things. These things are used in our day-to-day life. See in pictures. See in pictures. First is chair, table. Second is cupboard. Third is almirah. Fourth is clothes, refrigerators, utensils, crockery, car, scooter, aeroplane and train. These all are बच्चे objects which are keeping in the surrounding. Clear? So all these things are made up of one or more types of material. These types of materials are used to make these types of objects. First is wood, second is glass, third is cotton, synthetic fiber and jute. Okay, we take help of wood to make a more furniture. Okay, glasses, clay and cement is used at home, metals, plastics and papers. Now come to the point, what are the various objects around us? But this topic is not in our syllabus, we can say this topic is cutted. And now come on the topic, some common characteristics of material. But some common characteristics of materials are described below. All materials can be felt by one or more of our senses. How? See बच्चे, we can smell the fragrance of flower. Okay, how? We can feel the things by touching, by smelling or by seeing, watching. We can't see air which is keep around us, but we can feel it with our skin. We can feel air with our skin. We can smell a perfume even from a distance because it's a thread. Okay, cotton is soft to touch and stone is hard. You can easily identify material by touching them. Clear? So from this paragraph we can discuss that we can touch Some things we can touch it, that then we will know what are that. Some things we can feel it. Okay, like air is present in the environment, but we can't see, we can't touch it, just we can feel it. Clear? So next is all materials occupy space. A book placed on the bookshelf occupies space. See बच्चे, if shelf is free, if we are keeping books upper on that shelf, what will happen? They will occupy that space. Okay, see, you are sitting in, whenever you are going in school, you are sitting on the bench. More than 3 students can sit on the bench? No. Why? Because 3 students can occupy all the space of one bench. Clear? Water is in a tumbler occupies space in the tumbler. A stone placed on a table occupies space on the table. Clear this point? Next, all material possesses mass. See, we are human beings, we having mass. Object, suppose you can take a box of wood having the mass. All things contain one or more kinds of material. The amount of matter in any object is called its mass. So all material possesses mass. Clear?